Jstar.
Well, that was a well wicked flight with my Captain James there, looking at Mount Doom. Now he said, what better way after a flight like that to go and chill yourself off in some water. So he told me to jump off here. But on account of my twisted ankle and all, I'm not sure I want to do this one. But it looks like I might be able to go in a bit further down. Okay, I met some nice people down here at the falls. Say hi to the UK. They're going to take a film of me jumping in this icy cold pool. Wow. Alright, so you're going to keep an eye on me, yeah?
Okay.
Wicked. Alright, over this way. Three, two, one, woo-hoo! No! Stuck with stuff. Whoa! Oh! Oh! That's right. Yeah. Cool.